Okay, so this is question number 8 of exercise 10.2. So in this question we are given that ABCD is a quadrilateral which is circumscribing a circle, and we are given the point of contacts are point P, Q, R and S. So obviously we can say that AB is a tangent and P is the point of contact. Similarly we can say BC is the complete tangent and Q is the point of contact, and all these. So we had to prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. It means AB कौन सी वैल्यू है, that one. We had to prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So you have to take all the parts of these all parts in the same manner by using the property of tangents, that अगर हम किसी भी एक पॉइंट से सर्किल पे टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करते हैं तो उनकी लेंथ हमेशा इक्वल होती है. तो उस प्रॉपर्टी को आपको यूज़ करना है. सो लेट्स राइट डाउन. एंड पहले मैं लिख रहा हूँ पार्ट ए बी के. तो अगर मैं बात करूँ ए बी के पार्ट्स, तो ए बी के मेरे पास में दो पार्ट्स हो रहे हैं फ्रॉम पॉइंट पी. वन इज ए पी, अनदर इज बी पी. तो अगर मैं बात करूँ ए पी की, ए पी किसके इक्वल होगा, ए एस के. तो वी कैन राइट ए पी इज इक्वल टू ए एस. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1. व्हाट इज द रीजन? बिकॉज these are the tangents from point A. So we can write these are equal because these are tangents from point A. Now AB का remaining part है BP. तो BP किसके equal होगा, QB के. Again these are tangents from point B. तो we can write BP is equal to BQ, let equation number 2, and again these are equal because these are the tangents from point B. Now I am talking about the remaining parts of CD. तो CD मेरे पास में दो parts हो रहे हैं, DR and RC. अगर बात करूँ DR के, तो DR किसके इक्वल होगा, DS के. तो we can write that DR is equal to DS, equation number 3. These are equal because these are tangents from point D, and the last one, the last part of DR is RC. So we can say RC is equal to CQ because these are the tangents from point C. So RC is equal to CQ, equation number 4. These are tangents from point C. Now what we have to do, we have to add the value because I want AB plus CD. So how I will get AB plus CD? Because if I add both the values, that means AB plus CD. So I have to add all the parts of these two sides. So we have to add equation number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So simply we can write adding equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. What we will get? We will get that AP plus BP is equal to DR plus RC. Sorry, we have to add all the values in the similar way. So we can say that AP plus BP plus DR plus RC, that will be equal to AS plus BQ plus DS and plus CQ. Okay, now if I add AP plus BP, so AP and BP will get AB, and then we have DR plus RC. DR plus RC, it will give you CD. Then the remaining parts that we have, these are not in the same order. So AS, if I add AS, so AS and DS, that is AS plus DS will give you AD, and then we have BQ plus CQ, that is BQ plus CQ. What will get? That is BC. So BQ plus CQ will give you BC, and that is the part that we had to prove, that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Okay, so we can write hence proved. Okay, so next is question number 9 of exercise 10.2. So in this question we are given that this is a circle and there are three tangents. One is XY at point P, another X dash Y dash at point Q, and the last one is this is AB tangent at the point of contact C. And we have to prove that this angle AOB, that means this angle, the complete angle is 90 degree. इसको आपको 90 degree prove करना है. So to prove this angle 90 degree, we need some construction. What are these? That we had to join first O to C. So our construction is, the construction is join center O to point of contact C. So if I join this part, so I am getting the 4 parts. So I am naming these angles as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. And if I have to prove that angle AOB is 90, it means मुझे ये prove करना है कि angle 2 plus angle 3 का sum 90 degree आएगा. Okay, so for this first I am taking this triangle POA and AOC and इनको मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, congruent prove कर रहा हूँ, this triangle 1 and triangle 2. So we can write in proof that in triangle APO and triangle ACO, कौन कौन से triangle? APO, this triangle and triangle ACO, I am using these triangles to prove them congruent. So what are the parts that we have equal here? First we can say that AP will be equal to AC. These are the tangents from point A. Second, OP will be equal to OC, the radii of same circle, and the third part is OA, which are common in both the triangles. So as you can see by S, they are congruent. So write down all these values. First we can write that AP is equal to AC. These are equal. Why? Because these are tangents from point A. Second thing, we can write OP is equal to OC. OP is equal to OC. These are equal because these are radii of same circle. Okay, and the third part that we have is OA, which is common in both the triangles, that is OA is equal to OA. These are common in both the parts. So as we are getting 3 sides, so these 2 triangles are congruent by SSS. So we can write by SSS rule, triangle APO is congruent to triangle ACO. Now if these triangles are congruent, so we can say that their corresponding parts will be equal, that is angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 because these two are at the angle O. So by CPCT we can say angle O will be equal to angle O, और O की values है as I named here, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. These are equal by CPCT. Similarly आपको ये प्रूव करना है कि these triangles BOC and BOQ, these are congruent. इनको congruent करें तो इनके angle 3 angle 4 equal जाएंगे, but as we are doing the same parts, so there is no need to prove these parts again. We can write only similarly triangle COB is congruent to triangle QOB because COB will be equal to QOB, and obviously again we can say angle O will be equal to angle O by CPCT, और O की वैल्यू यहाँ पे 3 और यहाँ पे 4, तो we can say angle 3 is equal to angle 4. These are equal again by CPCT. Now what we have to do, अगर मुझे इन एंगल्स को ऐड करना है तो what I have to do, I have to add all the values. It means I will add angle 1, angle 3 and angle 2 and angle 4. So as we have discussed in our previous question, that is question number 4 of this exercise, that when 2 tangents are parallel then they are always at the ends of the diameter. It means the POQ is your diameter. So we can write that since XY is parallel to X dash Y dash, that's why POQ is a diameter of circle. और अगर ये डायमीटर है तो एज वी नो दैट इट्स अ स्ट्रेट लाइन, और अगर स्ट्रेट लाइन है तो जितने भी हमारे पास में एंगल स्ट्रेट लाइन पे होते हैं उनका सम होता है 180. तो सिंपली वी कैन से दैट एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 3 प्लस एंगल 4 दैट इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. रीजन क्या आएगा? एंगल्स ऑन अ लाइन, एंगल्स ऑन अ लाइन एंड देयर सम विल बी 180. बट हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि एंगल AOB आपका 90 डिग्री है. तो अगर AOB लेना है इट मीन्स आई वांट ओनली एंड ओनली एंगल 2 एंड एंगल 3. इट मीन्स आपको एंगल 1 को रिप्लेस करना है और एंगल 4 को रिप्लेस करना है. नाउ एज वी नो दैट फ्रॉम द इक्वेशन नंबर, लेट दीज आर इक्वेशन नंबर 1 एंड इक्वेशन नंबर 2. फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 1 एंगल 1 इक्वल है हमारे एंगल 2 के, एंड फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 2 एंगल 4 इक्वल है एंगल 3 के. तो आई एम रिप्लेसिंग एंगल 1 बाय एंगल 2 एंड एंगल 4 बाय एंगल 3. तो सिंपली यू कैन राइट on the place of angle 1 that angle 2 as it is, angle 3 as it is, and on the place of angle 4 we can write angle 3, and that is equal to 180 degree. Angle 2 plus angle 2 that is twice of angle 2, angle 3 plus angle 3 that is twice of angle 3, and that will be equal to 180 degree. Now from both the parts we can take 2 common. So 2 is common here. The value which is left in the bracket, that is angle 2 plus angle 3, will be equal to 180 degree. Now angle 2 plus angle 3 will be equal to 180 upon 2, that is 90 degree. And angle 2 plus angle 3 is 90. It means the angle 2 plus 3, it will be your angle AOB. So simply we can say that on the place of angle 2 plus 3, that is our angle AOB, and it will be equal to 90 degree. Hence proved. That is the part that we had to prove. Okay.